After working for 10 years, John finally opens his own cafe. It was a proud moment for him, until he received the bill. Setting up this cafe took up all of his 10 years' worth of savings. What if there was a way to get reliable suppliers at a better price? Now you can. Take a look at how much John can save if he found his suppliers with Checkouts. Checkouts is the first business-to-business deals platform for entrepreneurs. Save thousands of dollars off your capital and monthly business expenses with our exclusive in-house deals, such as half-priced websites and mobile applications, one-for-one name cards, free tickets to international business seminars, free business books, and many other great tools. Work only with reliable suppliers and service providers recommended by the Checkouts community. You can get more business for your own business from the Checkouts community of entrepreneurs, too. Join the Checkouts online community now and get access to awesome money-saving deals today. It's better than free.